रेस ऑफ सनशाइन बॉब की फेमस पेंटिंग में से एक पेंटिंग है जो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी। हाय एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज मानसी and welcome back to my channel. So today I make a video following a Bob Ross tutorial. He is an amazing
I
artist.
thought today I'd show you a little painting that is so simple that even if you've never painted, you can do this one, guarantee. In fact,
उनकी बनाई हर एक पेंटिंग सुपर डुपर ऑसम है। पेंटिंग टेक्निक्स इतनी इजी है कि आप भी बना सकते हैं, ट्रस्ट मी। अच्छा, आप सबने मेरा पीसफुल रिफ्लेक्शन वीडियो तो देखा ही होगा। नहीं देखा? कोई बात नहीं, मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप जाके वहाँ चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ मेरा सेटअप बिल्कुल रेडी है। मैंने यहाँ ब्लैक कैनवस लिया है। अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप वाइट कैनवस को ब्लैक कर सकते हैं।
a little bit of gesso, and let's go right up here. First thing we want to do is figure out where our light source is, and all you have to do, maybe it's right here, just a little bit off center. Start with the lightest area and begin working outward. See? Maybe this is a joy of paper towel painting. There. But you want this to be your brightest area in the painting. So we just start from there and we work outward. Outward, outward, outward. There. Isn't that fantastic? These colored gessos are just unbelievable. They do wonderful things for you. They open whole new doors of imagination. There we go. A little bit more. Notice I always start back in the center with that brightest color. And if you get little buildups of gesso here, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. When the painting's finished, those little high points will grab the paint and it makes beautiful things happen. Don't fight with them. All right. A little bit more. And wherever. And if you do 1,000 of these, each one of them will be different. So you just put in as many or as few trees as you want in your world. That's all there is to it. It's really all there is to it. There's But that's really all there is to it. You just sort of work back and forth and wherever you want them to go. Maybe over here on this side, maybe here's an old tree that's got a yonk in it, a little crook in it. Trees aren't all straight. Some of them have old crooked areas. It doesn't matter.
जरूरी नहीं कि सेम टू सेम बॉबरूस की तरह कॉपी करना है।
towel. I'll just use this little foam brush. Think where the light's coming through. I'm just going to take a little foam brush and just touch. Just touch. You can do it with anything. See there? Just gesso. Just white gesso. I'm going into...
बस अपने ट्यूटोरियल में एक्सपेंसिव ब्रश का यूज करते हैं। मैं सिर्फ 100 रुपए के ब्रश के लिए काम चलाती हूँ। सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। एक पेंटिंग बनाने में बहुत मेहनत होती है, तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक तो बनता है। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।